What's up, everybody? We're here in, like, Illinois. Yeah. And I think I already hear Tyler. That would be pretty cool. But we're just out riding there. There's some, like, creepy guy over there. It's like waving his hands and stuff. But who knows? What is going on? It's a whole ride out or something. No? I just wanted to ride past here. I was in Omaha and saw I met Grammy there, and I saw the Omaha Grom Squad. It was so funny. There were so many people on Groms. Huh? Because I just got a spider web in my eye. I mean, huh?
Come on, this is go ask his mom.
Yeah, it was, because, I don't know, his mom told him to come home.
Did you say wait for him?
Yeah. Well, we don't have to wait for him because we don't know if he's allowed out. Ooh. Nobody's... Well, I want to... Oh. Doing jumps is actually kind of fun. Like... Not yet. I will in a second. Whoa! It's actually, like... You'd think on, like, wheelie bikes and stuff, it wouldn't be that fun. But... Doing jumps is actually really fun. There goes the police. Well, it's kind of the point. That's kind of the point in wheeling. It's like, well, that was true. I keep thinking that you crash.
Why, is this?
Yes! It's like, bong, 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 bong. Like, scares me every single time. Like, my little goblin has passed away in a bike jump. That thing sounds like...
That's basically just my bike walk.
Oh. But that creepy guy's over here.
He won't think I'm crashing.
Alright, I changed the angle on my camera. Oh my gosh.
Ben, why don't you play football?
Cuz?
You'd be good at it.
How would I be good at it?
I mean, you'd be good at it. You're fast.
Yeah, but I'm also 4'11", and yeah, I'm tiny.
Yeah.
I almost said like that.
There's a kid on high school.
If anything, I'd just be the second Muggsy Bogues. I'd be the shortest NBA player. That would be funny, wouldn't it? I'm like, he was... Huh? What? Yeah, Muggsy Bogues was 5'3" or 5'4". There was one of those, but everybody used to make fun of me because of how short I was. I don't think he can come outside. Yeah, we can ride down to like the ramp or something. Yeah, basically I have to load up on videos because you can't ride in the winter.
You can't?
I mean, I can, but I won't be able to wheelie or anything.
How do you know? You try.
Because it's cold outside? So, well, it's really, your hands just, you can't feel them in the winter. Oh my God. I just sent a rock through my spokes. Wow. Oh, there's Austin's sister. Hi. Oh yeah, it was. Who's calling me? Zach? Hello? Can you ride your bike? Can you ride your bike after that? I don't know, but just call me when you're done then. I'm out making... Oh, yeah, I'm making a video right now, so... Well, just call me when you're done. Alright, bye. Man said, I got a big pumpkin for you to carve.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. It was, Zach.
I got a big pumpkin carved.
No, it was Zach. He said, I'm carving pumpkins right now. And I said, okay, call me when you're done. He said, you can come carve pumpkins too. I have a big pumpkin you can carve. Look at that Jeep. Whoa. About to hit this ramp, boys.
Ow.
Jump off it, you won't.
I'm not jumping off it. I'll die. Yeah, I'll sit my bike off.
You won't. No, don't. Turn. Just go. Meow. That sounded like he died. This toilet has a big reflection. Is that a sidewalk? What, that place? I need to get over there. I'm trying to get back over there. So I'm gonna go down the sidewalk back over here. Cause I don't really like being this close to the cars and stuff. Alright, I hate being right here. That's why I wanna get in that. Oh, I just got chills. My God. That's why I want to be like over here in this parking lot and like around here. I don't like being near all those cars. Especially after that dude on the motorcycle died over here.
Wait, hold on, someone died over here?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know. It was in the beginning of 2019.
How did he die?
He got hit by a car on a motorcycle. I don't know, he was trying to turn this way onto this street. That street is one of these two. Watch out before you get turned into Swiss cheese. Not Swiss cheese, oh my God, that's when you get shot, then you Swiss cheese.
Turning both into Swiss cheese.
Oh,
What is happening?
something botched.
What is that?
She popped the chain.
What is that?
The chains popped.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no, kiddo.
Oh, it's.
This one's right in my eye. Anyway, did you even touch the handlebars while she was eating?
Yes, she's good. You know, she won the game today. I mean,
That's the basketball? Yeah.
she's
Wait, is that fourth grade basketball? Or what grade basketball is it?
hold the ball.
You got it.
I play on the 8th grade team.
I've never seen a bike like her.
Not good.
This just looks like a chopper.
She's a lot bigger. It's an actual chopper.
Yeah. Hit the cops with some wheelies. Oh, that sounded like it just popped his tire. It's like,
Your camera's still rolling, bro.
I know,
Did you forget?
no.
I forgot.
But, speaking of which, that's going to be the end of this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.